Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be creating a realistic portrait of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati on A4 paper using graphite pencil. For this artwork, I'll be using graphite pencil along with tools like makeup brush, blending stump and tissue paper to achieve smooth blending and fine details. I'm also using grid method to ensure the accurate proportion. Let's get started. First, I lightly draw a grid on A4 size paper using HB pencil. Each square measures 3 cm, forming 6 by 8 grid which covers 18 by 24 cm of drawing space. This helps in accurately placing all the elements of the portrait. With the grid as a guide, I'll carefully sketch the outline of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, including their faces, hair, jewelry and clothing. Once the full outline is done, I lightly erase the grid with kneaded eraser, leaving faint guide for shading. For the darkest area like Shiva's hair, eyes, eyebrows, I use 6B pencil to add rich contrast and intensity. Here I use makeup brush to blend Lord Shiva's hair. For subtle highlight of Lord Shiva's hair, I have used Mono Zero eraser. For the lighter areas like skin and the background element, I use HB pencil with soft and even strokes. I blend this layer using tissue paper and a makeup brush for smooth transitions. use a 4B pencil to bring out clean definition and subtle depth. I blend these layers using tissue paper, blending stump and makeup brush for smooth transition. For medium dark areas like Rudraksh Mala, I use 4B and 6B pencil. As I move forward, I continue refining with 4B pencil, deepening shadow in the folds of the fabric. For Goddess Parvati's hair, I use 6B pencil to add rich contrast and intensity. For medium dark areas like eyes, eyebrows and bindi, I use 4B pencil. pull out highlights from hair, ornaments and skin, enhancing overall contrast and lifelike feel. And here it is the final realistic graphite portrait of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati, complete with detailed shading and soft blending. I hope you enjoy watching the process and found some helpful techniques for your own artwork. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more drawing content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in next video.